Hello everyone, my name is Christopher Romine, the Director of Culinary at Wynn Palace. And today we're going to prepare an authentic homemade recipe of beef burger. Firstly, let's prepare all our ingredients for today's burger recipe, which you can get at any local shops. We're going to start slicing tomatoes. Next, we will slice the gherkin, which will enhance the flavor of the burger. We will now pick some whole leaves of lettuce. Then we will prepare some sauteed onions, which will add some sweetness to the burger. Finally, slice the onion. Now we will preheat the pan with medium heat. Then add the olive oil. When the oil is heated, then we will add the onions. Season with salt and pepper. Saute the onions until they are caramelized. Keep the onions in the pan so they stay warm. Let's move on to the beef patties. For today's recipe, we prepared some fatty meat and some lean meat. 20% fatty, 80% lean. I recommend using this ratio as the fatty meat will help bind the patty. You can find the full ingredients list at the end of the video. Here we have our freshly ground beef, which we will divide into 2 portions. Take 1 portion and gently form it into a ball. When forming the beef patty, please do not over compact it as it will affect the beef patty's texture. Flatten the ball to a 1 centimeter thick patty. I'm using a metal ring, but you can easily form the patty at your home by using your hands. Next, we can prepare our bun. Simply cut the bun in half. Spread the butter on both sides. Then toast the buns in the pan until golden brown. The buns have been toasted, so now we can cook our patties. Heat up the pan and then add the olive oil. It's important that we season the patties with salt and pepper just before we add them to the hot pan. This is to ensure that the patty doesn't lose the moisture. Once the patty is properly seared, we will flip it to the other side. While the patties are cooking, now we can prepare our side dish. I prepared a tomato and rocket green salad dressed with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, and pepper. But you can serve any side dish you would like to go along with the burger. As our salad is prepared, let's finish off our beef patties. You can place the cheese on top of the hot patties. I'm using Conte and cheddar. Now that the cheese is melted, our patties are ready. So now it's time to assemble the burger. First, we place the 2 patties on the bun. Next, we add our sauteed onions. Then we add our buttered lettuce. Next, our tomatoes and gherkins. The beef burger is ready to serve. Please enjoy.